What's up, guys, and welcome back. In the ground video, I talked about my coffee table, and you guys went absolutely bonkers. So I figured it would be a good time to show you my man cave, or as us single guys call it, my living room. So, we'll start over here. I got a couple of track maps, a few of my favorites, European tracks, Spa, a classic Monaco. I love Monaco. A cool little retro Formula One poster from Zandvoort. Got that as a housewarming gift. Up here, we have a couple of license plates. This one, the German one, was another housewarming gift. Old school B-dub plates. The OGs will remember that from the Forerunner days. And the Apex Hunter. What else we got? Oh, for my New York region plaque. Got first place in street touring in 2016, 17, and 18. And then dropped to third in 2019. And that had a lot to do with my motorcycle crash. Most of the fall, I had a broken wrist. So I dropped to third because I couldn't really participate in autocross with a broken wrist. So I have a 2021 coming. It's at second place. And I'm looking to add a first place to 2022. So Jose, I'm coming for you. Speaking of autocross, here is my, I guess, trophy case, you could call it. You know, at the end of the day, it's kind of cheesy to keep some of this stuff, I feel, but like, what else am I gonna do with it? You know? And it's, I mean, you know, it's fine. Got my wicked big meat number plaque and trophy there. All the New York region ones. This was 2021. This was back in 19, 18, and 17, so got a couple of years worth of awards there. We'll spin around here, another housewarming gift. This is a photo a buddy of mine took. What's up, Stefan? He took this in Cuba when he was there. Really cool photo. And then he had it printed on aluminum. So yeah, that was super, super cool. Awesome housewarming gift. It's kind of like the focal point of the whole room here. This sign here is a replica for legal reasons. This is not an actual street sign. A replica, but it's got my name on it. The PlayStation down there, the essential games, they're all racing games. I don't play anything but racing games. My camshaft lamp, it is a ring gear and a camshaft, some other differential pieces. There's a little timing chain in there and an air filter. My buddy Corey made this. This was another housewarming gift. So thanks, Corey. Over here, it's a nose cone from a Formula 4 car. I grabbed this out of the dumpster at the SRO, or it was Pirelli World Challenge at the time, at VIR, and this was just in the dumpster. So I grabbed it and hung it on my wall. It's about an inch thick of carbon, but it's pretty light. Cool little piece for the living room. Swinging around to here, this is this guy Giorgio. He does all of these drawings for Formula One. This is the 2018 Mercedes car, and they were giving these away for free. You just had to pay shipping, which was like 20 bucks. So of course I got them. I paid more for the frames than I paid for the actual illustration, but still a great deal. So this is my simulator that I built. What up? So it's built off a garage creeper. I made a little frame to mount my Thrustmaster wheel, and I mounted the FRS seat. But this is a passenger seat out of an FRS. I used it because it's familiar and because it's got a really nice deep bucket. The FRS has like one of the best seats out of the factory. Now the part that you've all been waiting for, the coffee table. This is from my GS750, my Suzuki GS750. I took it all apart to do a crazy cafe racer build on it, and I never put it back together again. The frame is still being tripped over in the garage, but I turned the engine into a coffee. I've always wanted an engine block coffee table, and I thought this was the perfect time to do this. Unfortunately, I wasn't really vlogging back then when I did this, so this would have been a really cool video to show the progress on it. But yeah, so it's a Suzuki GS750. It's an inline 4. It was carbureted. Got the Kickstarter back on there. And then my buddy Corey built this frame. We put a little plexi in there. And yeah, that's my table. So that's a tour of my man cave slash living room. I hope you got some ideas for your man cave. If you have a cool man cave, find me on Instagram and tag me in a photo. I want to see it because I want more ideas. I'm thinking, you know, they make those track sculptures. I could do a couple across the top there, so I'm thinking something like that. I do still want to bring the fairings from the crash. I want to bring the scratched up fairings and put them probably over on one of these wherever I can find space, just hang them from the wall because I think that'll be cool. I haven't yet decided if I'm gonna post a video next Tuesday. I'm going to Florida for the Rolex 24. There will be a video for that, but that's probably a couple of weeks down the line. So next Tuesday might not be a video. There might be, I'm not really sure yet. Best way to know is to hit subscribe and hit that little bell, because when a video goes up, you're gonna get a notification. Doesn't get easier than that, guys. So I'll see you guys maybe, I don't know. I'll see you guys next time. How about that?